it. As I said in my previous video, I'm just on this super film day and I just want to get it done. And let me know, yes or no, if you think a YouTuber should change their top if they're filming more than a couple videos. I'd be very curious because I'd be more than happy to change, but I just didn't. So my name is Robin and thank you for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you're here. If you like the video and you like the content, please subscribe. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up if you like it. Today I am doing a new box to my channel, Aroma Reveal. So if you're returning, this is new for me and thank you so much for supporting me. I got this on the Crate Joy when they were offering their 30% off. What was it, Cyber Monday, and I already got it. So it is, I believe, a skincare bath box. I don't even remember because it looks so good I have it to get it. So before I film this one or post this and I edit, I will put the price of this box on there. And let's get into it. I hope you guys are enjoying your day and you open it up, unveil your serenity. I bet you this box smells good. I can't smell anything yet, but I bet you it smells good. And we have some red trail leavers. For those that are new to my channel, I get these things and you always know where I've been because I leave a trail behind when I go to put the box away. And that's how my man knows that I've been filming. So there is a card, Aroma Reveal. There's the website, a monthly subscription box of aromatherapy, skincare, and beauty products. One-time purchase box also available. So I'm not sure if that's what I did. So it's got the card about us. You can do a one-time box, and then it looks like you can do a 3-month box. But this is filled with goodies. So let's get into it. The first thing I see, and these red things are just getting everywhere. Okay. It's a pair, it looks like socks, and I apologize for it taking so long, but they were everywhere. And these are like the softest pair of socks ever. They're by Tutu Anna, but they are so soft. And I'm looking to see if there's a card with everything that's in here. But there, I did find a postcard. Kind card. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. So this is the postcard. Okay, and then, oh, this is so cute. Jolly Holidays. And look at that. How cute is that? I haven't gotten anything like that in my box. This is not a toy, it's for decoration. So I do have to find out where I'm gonna put this. Oh, just love this box. Okay, the next thing is Sweet Vanilla Hand Cream. A sweet, fragrant blend of creamy vanilla and warm cinnamon to calm your senses. I'm sure it's already wrapped up. Oh, no it isn't. Oh my God, I'm just gonna sit here and, whew. People drive by, they probably think I'm the crazy lady that lives on the corner. Okay, oh my goodness, and this is a necklace. Oh, it's a necklace and earrings. Oh my goodness. Aromatherapy jewelry. Add a drop of your favorite essential oil to the black lava rock. Rub gently to allow oil to absorb. Enjoy the wonderful scent. Oh my God, I've never seen this. Can you see that? And the earrings are just, they're pierced, but they're very light. So I can definitely wear them. So now I have to find an essential oil. I bet you they put one in here, but oh my goodness, so impressed. And the next thing is my Beauty Spot Bath Oil in Bergamot. Refresh and energize. Okay. As I destroy the box, I'm trying to see if there's 2 of them in here. With invigorating bergamot to revitalize the body. How nice does that look? I wish there was a card in here. Okay, the next is Simple Pleasures Peppermint Kiss. I was hoping it was chocolates. Peppermint Kiss Scented Bath Salts. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this short and go take a bath. Again, a little disappointed these were not chocolates. Thank you for your order. Have a nice day. If you have any issues with this purchase, please contact us ASAP and give us the chance to make it right. Now that is customer service. Do you think it's wrong to complain that the bath salts are not chocolates? Okay, and then, is this a candle? It's got my poppies. Oh, it's a candle. Starlight's Peppermint Cream Scented Candle. Okay, they made up for it. They put in a candle. Okay, guys, this was a great box. Just to, as I said, I got to find out how much I spent. Probably only maybe $20, $25. But it's a holiday box, and it screams holiday, so oh my goodness. Then, Kate Spade. Check this out. It looks like it's a rose gold. It's got the glitter here, and it's a card case. Okay, can we say worth the price of the box right here? This is so nice. Oh, it's got a sticker on here. It says his MSRP is for $88. Okay. The next thing, Joy, Hope, Peace, and it's tea. There looks like there's 2 tea bags in here. Who's my tea lovers? Who's gonna come over and have some tea with me? I know Aziza, I believe she drinks tea, and I think Janine drinks tea. Oh, there's 3. So I can invite 2 more people over. So put in your bids to come sit on the patio. You can bring your bathing suits. We can go by the pool. But I got tea, ladies. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, see this? It's got the glass thing. These are like my favorites. These mints, these ball mints, they are so my favorite mints. Oh my God, what a great item in here. Now I could put this out on my table, but then people might think that they can eat them and not save them for me. So loving those. And I think there's a few more things in this box. Bodycology Truly Yours Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Look at that. And I love my scrubs. We did a collab and Vicky had my name, and she sent me this body scrub that I'm just so loving. It looks like this is great. Oh. Oh my God, going right in the shower because I'm gonna forget to put it in there. And I'm trying to look, oh, it's got moisturizing avocado oil and shea butter. But I don't know what the scent is. Oh my gosh. Anything else? Ooh. Looks like a lippy. Balm Brilliant Jumbo. Cherry Cream Pie CoverGirl Jumbo Gloss Balm. It's all wrapped up, so I don't want to undo it because I'm not going to wear it now. But that's super nice. And guess what is in here? The last thing that I picked, besides getting these red things all over, is chamomile oil. Does this go on the jewelry? Can you put that on the jewelry? It smells good, but I don't know if I want my jewelry to smell like this. But there is the oil. And let me make sure I got everything out of the box. I think I did. What did you think of this? I'm giving it a 5 cactus. Only because this was just too adorable. And it had my favorite mints. And this peppermint candle smells delish. I just wish that our boxes are filled with hand-selected aroma-inspired products such as essential oils, fragrant shea butter soaps, face and foot masks, bath salts. So I am going to have to check this out because I want to get 3 boxes. I'm sure this was obviously their holiday box, so I bet you their other boxes are equally as good. I was impressed by the jewelry. I just have to figure out what oil, if that oil that we got, if I could put that in jewelry. This Kate Spade item is gorgeous, and I know I randomly will send people that leave comments regularly, I send them gifts. I don't announce it. I will just ask them what they like and I will send off a gift. And there is a particular YouTuber that I think would enjoy this, so I'm going to see if she wants it. If she doesn't want this, I will put it out for a giveaway. Not that I wouldn't use it, but it's just such a nice gift. The Peppermint Kiss bath salts, a little disappointed that they weren't chocolates, but they are gonna smell the bathtub up really good. I thought this was a great box. We have the bath oil and the hand cream and the socks. So this was definitely a great box. I will leave the price below that I got it. I know I had a discount of like probably 25 or 30%, but I think if you paid the regular price for it, you wouldn't be disappointed either. So I'm in heaven now. So please leave me comments. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.